Smisha Gaelic Machgerigish. I'm Gaelic Ferguson, your Scottish Gaelic speech coach, here to help you get rid of English words and sounds from your Gaelic. And as you can see, I'm enjoying another lovely summer here in the Highlands. Saurig ounce Gaeltach. That is a really tricky one. The Highlands. Quite a few things to think of, and when I hear it very often, it has a very English sound to it when people haven't learned the sounds correctly. And I hear ounce Gael tact. Not quite there. So we have a few things to think about. In the Highlands, we have lenition at the beginning. A Gaeltach. So that is like a G, but it's kind of, we slide over it. G, 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 g. A Gaeltach. And we have the CHD at the end, which is another tricky sound, is like a ch sound followed by a click. Like two stones clicking together at the back of your mouth. As if you're calling a horse. A Gaeltach. Have a go at that. Ounce a Gaeltach. For more tips on how to get rid of English sounds and to establish true Scottish Gaelic sounds, subscribe to my channel.